Alright, so exterior door handle on a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. First step is going to be to get this cover off. It's going to show you two T20s. Go ahead and back that one out, I think with the handle up till it stops back here, and then this is going to be your lock screw. You got to back this one all the way out. Don't drop it. Okay, so I actually had to push that one back in. It'll move in and out, and I did already pry the cover off. It just snaps on, but then you should be able to get a hold of that. Slide the lock out and then pull out, and you got your electrical connection. Hope that helps. Yeah, so just real quick, this is redundant. This big one, big divot in the lock cylinder, goes to that, and that is your top screw. And that also, you can see it. So you've got to, you got to have it in the right spot. Hang on. All right, so you got to back it out to get it out of the lock cylinder, like that, and then you've got to push it because that will be locking it. So you've actually got to push it back in to get those locks to go back. Joyous. And then the other screw that's right there passes all the way through and into that little hole. So you got two to lock it in, and you've got to push that in to get those locks out of the way.